Welcome, seekers of transformation. Today, we're about to embark on a journey that might just redefine the way you view the power within a simple glass of water. Have you ever considered that the key to unlocking your dreams might be right in front of you, disguised as a refreshing sip? Well, get ready for a revelation that goes beyond wishful thinking. I'm excited to introduce you to a technique that taps into the extraordinary potential of the water G-glass. I'm not here to sell dreams. I'm here to challenge your perspective. So, grab your favorite glass, because we're about to dive deep into the magic that water holds. Have you ever imagined that all it would take to fulfill all of your dreams is a glass of water? I'm going to reveal an amazing yet simple approach, so hold on. It may sound too wonderful to be true. Be aware that planning matters more than luck in this situation. I'm not here to sell you dreams. Rather, I'm here to question your viewpoint. A glass of water might be your hidden weapon. Principles are unfailing. Humans make mistakes. I'm going to introduce you to a very interesting technique today called the water G-glass. Before we begin, we would like to mention shortly, if you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. I want you to do this approach, which is why I'm going to describe it in a different way. It is insufficient to just say, "Yes, I believe in this," after watching a video. I want you to look into it rather than believing me. I want you to see how powerful what I'm teaching you is for yourself. You must persuade yourself. I cannot persuade you. The only way to do that is through your own results. Remember all the limitations you think you have? If you change your belief, you change your life. The most important thing is the creative power we all have, ignored and taken away from us. You must recover it because you are truly a creator. As Jesus of Nazareth said, Plato said it, "You are gods, but you have all forgotten it." All the great masters and avatars say it. In the Bible, it said, as in Genesis, we are made in the image and likeness of God. Yes, God created this entire world and universe. We can create our world and our universe. I will discuss this water approach and why it is effective. Since water serves as a medium between the two worlds, the Bible claims that God was hovering over the waters in Genesis before the creation of the world. You may have seen that when water's vibration decreases, it hardens and becomes ice. It is water when it is in the middle. It becomes water vapor when you increase the heat and vibration level. Even though you can't see it, it's still there and unchanged. Thus, water acts as a bridge between the conscious and subconscious and superconscious minds. This is the water that we are familiar with, the water that you should always drink in bottles. We may therefore communicate with all of this through water. Moreover, water is a superconductor of these moving energies. Take a moment to consider that. If you watch this channel, you may be familiar with this concept already. Although we've talked about it extensively in several videos, multiple people were able to. After the initial discovery, it was made by numerous scientists. The interesting part is that water can remember things. It's not just about memory. Water also reacts to what we think and feel, changing the tiny building blocks of this important substance. Now let's talk about the technique we're about to use. Its power comes from using water's special ability to connect two different worlds together. We'll line up our hopes with water and see what happens. I'll explain the steps, guiding you through them. When you drink, it's not just about satisfying your thirst. You're literally watching your wishes come to life. Just like water spreads everywhere, your desires fill up every part of you, reaching every cell in your body. Remember, your mind isn't only in your head. It's spread all over your body. Our goal is to fill every bit of our lives with what we dream about, whether those dreams have come true or not. Picture the effects as you do this, causing a natural change in how you feel and think. This isn't just about getting what you want. Even a simple thing like taking a sip of water can make you feel refreshed and more energetic. Imagine not just feeling refreshed but adding the power of your desires to that energy. Let's begin by discussing the water glass technique. What therefore shall we do first? Composing. Take a sheet of paper, it can be white, and write your intention on it. Write anything you wish to: $1,000, a romantic partner, a trip to a particular location, a Mercedes-Benz belonging to a particular class, or anything incredibly precise and tangible. As an illustration, consider this: a loving and satisfying connection is drawing itself into my existence. I have faith that I can attract a fantastic companion. Next, pour water into a glass. It must be completely filled. After it is full, set it on top of the stated intention on the paper. It's time for you to give your hands a good rub. Put them around the glass without touching it once they're warm. Don't actually touch the glass. Instead, try to hold it with your hands. The next action is to state your intention aloud again. For instance, you could state, "I am drawing $1,000 into my life. I have faith in my abilities to bring forth plenty of money." Next, close your eyes and visualize the finished product. Trust that you already have the result when you experience it. It's crucial to believe you already have it, rather than imagining it will arrive. That's it. After that, sip from the glass of water. Here are some crucial rules to remember. We'll switch up the viewpoint, and I'll go over some crucial rules you should abide by. Start by saying it again in the morning, and keep doing it through the night until the manifestation happens. The manifestation usually occurs quickly. But a fundamental rule that applies always, 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 especially in practices that are in harmony with the law of attraction's tenets, notably the vibration principle, teaches an important lesson. Since the goal is to strengthen your faith, start with the little things. It is given to you in accordance with your faith, which is built through references. It gets simpler to trust in your power the more references you have that validate it. The more powerful your belief, the less obstacles you'll face and the more opportunities for manifestations in the real world. Whether the cost is $11,000 or $100 billion, it is the same for the cosmos. But the prejudices and restrictions that have been entrenched over many generations have a profound effect on not only this generation but all the ones that came before it. It has been passed down through the ages for us to understand that we are programmed rather than destined. Changing the programming completely changes our fate. Most importantly, realize that in order to be prepared for the ceremony, you must not dwell too much on your aspirations. This obsession is where the true cost is. Consider what you have previously accomplished rather than wishing for the future. Notice how an unruly mind can try to distract you with thoughts of unknown futures. The secret is to think that your life already has everything you want. Accept it as a fact of life as it is right now. The manifestation of this belief is guaranteed when it is consistently practiced. These are strong ideas that are relevant to everyone. Don't just agree with them. Test them, as I usually say. If you stick to this routine, please share your experiences in the comments. Share the results most importantly. Start with small goals and gradually increase in magnitude. Throughout the ceremony, feel what you want and keep going until it happens. As soon as possible, take this message to heart and put the suggestions into practice. I wish you well in all that you do, and I look forward to hearing from you. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. As we wrap up this exploration into the transformative world of the water G-glass, I want to leave you with a challenge. It's not enough to just listen. I want you to experience it. Take a leap of faith, try the technique for yourself, and share your journey in the comments below. Your stories might just inspire someone else to take that life-changing sip. Remember, you have the power to reshape your reality. Cheers to a future filled with manifestation, abundance, and the realization of your wildest dreams. Until next time, keep believing, keep sipping, and keep manifesting. This is James, signing off. Wishing you an extraordinary journey ahead.